Borok hamgrai channel o joto takhukte bukhuk sokno lamsogo. O video khaimani reason angkha ang je mansak nai tongnai joto ani sak chalai eba ani okra chakra rok ani kiching dada manai baisong joto je kha bisingo English srangna muchungo borokno chubana bagai. Tamni hingke jora jora bo chung English srangna muchungui phaio. Fiaba buino sangra gyachang. Lachiwi phano sangra gyangkha eba buitek to do nangjagono rokhoni wansogui pano chung sangya angai mano. Obo joto no wansokmani bkhao tonoi ang tini o channel khuluka. O video o ang 5 ta basic kok borok tu English sentence riwi rinai. Khakhayo omo joto ni bagai no helpful angono hanai. Phadi chung tabuk chenglai sinai. Puila no ang kok borok bai kaisa sentence hanai. Aboni pore amono English bai tamohin aba sawi rinai. Number 1 phung kaham good morning. Phung kaham no hangka chung good morning hani hano. Good morning. Number 2 nung kaham da tong. Abono English bai hanai. How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? Number 3 Nung bai malayoi ani kha kachang kha. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Number 4 Ni ni bumung tamo. Amno English bai hanai. What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Number 5 Ni ni bumung kicha shawi damano. May I know your name, please? May I know your name, please? Tasha shanai. May I know your name, please? May I know your name, please? Question number 4 by 5 kicha similar no, kicha sollayo. Ekta shime no difference. Number 4 question hangka kicha directly sungka nini bumung tamo honai. Number 5 question kai kicha politely khai nini bumung kicha shawi daman no hani shangu. Takhokte bukhuk song norok tumung no video no chajakha hanga kai like subscribe tai share khaimani bising tei ano support khaimano norok ni kicha sa choba chobai ani khabela no tongthoknai.